day 12. Today the 12th? Yes, day 12. And today on Vlogtober, as you've seen in the description box down below, we are doing a summer-fall switch. Now, I'm in a 2-bedroom, and my shoes could take up a whole 1 bedroom. But right now, this bedroom, which is my master bedroom, I made it into my closet. So that means office / closet, and then my sewing area right there where you're standing at. So with that being said, we're going to go to storage. That's the third thing on my list. We're going to go to storage. It is now about 7:38. I've been up early. As you've seen at the beginning of the video, I've been up this morning. So, if you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you an OG, welcome back to my channel. Do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. That way you will be notified each time that I upload. And I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and everyone that's been tuning in since day 1 of Vlogtober. I really, really appreciate it. So, I have to go to storage, get all this winter stuff, bring it back here, take everything off the shelf, wipe them down, change out some of the shelves so my boots can fit, my thigh-high boots can fit, and then we just gonna take you on that journey. Before we do that, it's called But Coffee First. Let's go get some coffee. Well, I'm not gonna take you all with me to get coffee because y'all just stuck right there. And y'all just stuck right there in my sewing area. With that being said, let me go get some coffee in my system, and then I'm going to head out to storage. I will show you a small clip of going to the storage. This is the before.